Why hello, beautiful humans, Jen Foxwhite here. I hope that y'all are staying safe and healthy as this wild and kind of scary virus spreads around. So in an effort to find fun and interesting things to do at home, I have been making a lot of stuff, and this is something I wanted to share with y'all. I'm gonna write up a tutorial shortly, but I also wanted to demo it for you. So this is a project that I made for one of my students. It'll be a while before I can give it to them, but that's okay. So this is an update on the hair lights project that I did. It uses a coin cell battery holder with a switch, two 100 ohm resistors, two female JST connectors. And what I love about this is that you can swap out the lights. Woo, let me turn it on. So boop. Boop. Blah, 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 blah. So this is a color changing one. This is a clear one. But then I can go, oh, hey, maybe I want a red light over here. Oh, what's up? No problem. I can swap it out. Yeah. Oops, not that one. I guess that one's broken. Oh, that's funny. Woo! Yeah, party time. So I haven't added anything to the back to like attach it to my hair yet, but I could. I actually wanted to give my student some options. So I'll have them add something to the back, but you could also make a pin or a necklace or whatever you want. And then these are fairly flexible, so you can kind of move them around. So you can make like little antenna if you wanted to. Yay! Or a bracelet. That would be cool. So it's fairly open-ended, which is what I like. We don't have to constrain ourselves to any specific thing. We can change things as we want. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions about this project or about other projects to do at home while we are finding things to entertain ourselves and stay sane. Remember to take care of yourself, both, well, in terms of physical, mental, and emotional health. That is all very, very, very important. We are complex creatures, and it is important that we acknowledge that and take care of all of ourselves. Cool. So yes, have fun, take care of yourself, and take care of your friends and family. See you soon. Bye.